Hey guys, Mr. Anime here. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of something different. Today we're going to do the ultimate, the definitive YouTuber tier list. All the rest of them is a lie. This is the best one. So we got all of the YouTubers that are definitely important. So let's just get this one out of the way. I'm F tier because, okay, next one. James Charles, S tier. James Charles is definitely an S tier. Bart Simpson. Now, this guy has been in the game for a long time. He's been on the trending page for so long. He has to be one of the most popular YouTubers out there. F tier. And here we go, PewDiePie. Now, PewDiePie could go S or F. He's gonna go A. Perfect. And next, it's Pro Jared. Now, to be honest, this dude needs his own tier.
Broken marriage out of
10. YouTube itself, F tier. Jonesy from Fort, F tier. Jerma985. Now, this is a dude he's been around for like 1 million years at E tier. Gumby's, S. Now, here's a guy he's really new, but, I mean, he's really amazing. He's a really good YouTuber, guys. Animal from the Muppets is S tier. Get him down there. Jake Paul, S tier. It's S tier. Brutal Moose, C. Now, here is a guy who's been in the game for a while. Seatbelt, he's awful. No. F tier. Cranksters, F tier. Now, Danny DeVito. He takes up the entire tier for S tier. Just Verb. D tier. Misha. Now, this is our last YouTuber. Okay, guys, remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to join my free gift card giveaway.